Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending up side of the equation. I want you guys to see how it is July the 31st. Palantir PLTR pops up in the number one overall position at the very top of the board, identified by the Algo, with an over 318% increase in institutional bullish pressure. No surprises as to why the stock jumps nearly 6.5% as a result. What our AI is detecting is that typically only about $576 million of the stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, nearly $1.85 billion. So it's over $1 billion extra than it would normally get of institutional bullish pressure. No wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early, which is why we use private exchange networks as well as lightning fast machine learning technology to be able to identify at 8:08 a.m., more than an hour before the market opens, all this unusual activity, 4.62 times what's normally there. Let's say you had done call options on PLTR, you could see a nice list of triple-digit winners. Maybe you had done the $20 call option. We're going to take a look at the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. From market open all the way to the top, 320% return. But the point isn't to squeak every single last penny out of that. As you can see, the market moves pretty quickly. The point is to get the information down here so you're not stuck chasing it or hearing about it after it's already moved. For example, maybe you didn't get in for the first 10, 15 minutes until after the market opened, and then maybe you ended up getting out at a little bit of an early exit. That's still a triple-digit return. That's the whole point. That's the whole purpose. And it wasn't just PLTR. There were many other examples, but we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's take a look at maybe one or two more. YELL, Yellow Corporation. 2,300% increase in bullish pressure. The stock jumps 100% in one day. Could have traded the stock, could have traded options behind the stock. However, everyone wants to be a part of this monstrous move down here from 80 cents a share to nearly $2 a share. Now, again, what our AI is detecting is that typically only about $7 million of the stock is traded. Today it was 161. What's interesting about Yellow Corporation, you can Google it as well. YELL stock alert surges 111% after it filed for bankruptcy. So not only did it file for bankruptcy, this article is already being written to the public after it's already jumped 111%. So the stock has already moved. Don't get your information after it's already up 111% over here. You need the information down here when institutions are doing private transactions. Now, let's go to the Alerts tab, and let's find out when YELL was identified by institutional trading in real time. 8 times the average amount of bullish pressure at 9:33 a.m. This is why you need institutional information, right? A company filing for bankruptcy, people wouldn't typically think that that stock would go up. But if large market makers who control a majority of the volume and price points in the market are buying a bunch of shares, then that would potentially mean that it rockets anyways. So let's go to YELL. You could see a huge list of triple-digit winners, whether you bought the stock or you bought the options. For example, let's say you did the $2.50 call option. We're going to take a look at the 3-minute chart. This right here is 9:36 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Options are 10 cents. At its maximum, 350% return. But again, it's not about squeezing every last penny out of it. Maybe you got in 15 minutes later, and maybe you got out over here at nearly a triple-digit return. The whole point is getting the data down here, not chasing it over here or over here after it's already moved. One more quick example before we wrap up today. We don't have time for too many more. Let's take a look at SYM. Top of the dashboard, 457% increase in bullish pressure, so we're not surprised that there is a massive move in the underlying asset. SYM identified at 9:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with triple the bullish pressure that's normally seen there. If we go to the TradeAlgo options chain, let's say, for example, that you had done the $60 call option. We're going to stick with the 15-minute chart here. We know our AI picked it up at 9:58, so we're going to look at this 10 a.m. candle right here. Options started at $1.10 at its max, and over 750% return. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.